Welcome to the Furniture Industry News Podcast, where we provide a comprehensive rundown of this week's key updates and the recent reshuffling in the world of furniture. Industry insiders know that staying ahead of the curve is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. That's why we're here to bring you insightful analysis and the latest trends directly affecting our field, from executive shifts to fabric innovations. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, listen in to stay informed and connected with a professional yet conversational tone tailored specifically for you, the industry professional. So, let's dive in. In the dynamic landscape of the furniture industry, executive positions are continuously evolving. Recently, this evolution has picked up pace with numerous home furnishings companies announcing C-level hires, retirements, or reassignments. It isn't just the frequency of these changes that piques our interest, it's what they signify for the larger trajectory of our industry. For the better part of the last decade, the depth of experience from baby boomer and greatest generation executives has been a driving force, with their seasoned leadership guiding companies through growth and innovation. They've left indelible marks on the industry, carving out a path of legacy and triumph. But in the wake of the pandemic, it seems the baton is being passed with increasing speed to a new generation of leaders, eager to step into roles of authority and inject fresh perspectives into the decision-making process. We're seeing this generational change not only in family-run retail businesses, but also among manufacturers and suppliers. The message is clear. The furniture industry isn't just undergoing a transfer of leadership, it's undergoing a transformation in how business itself is conducted. From shifting buyer-seller relations to changes in consumer purchase behaviors, the incorporation of technology is redefining core aspects of the industry. It's essential to connect the dots between these leadership realignments and the broader seismic shifts they're part of. We're living in a time when communication technologies have democratized marketplace entry to such a degree that savvy entrepreneurs with digital knowledge can open a virtual store almost instantly. Gone are the days when a manufacturer's connection to the consumer was shackled to intermediaries. As we witness the changing of the guard in the C-suite, it's crucial to pay attention to the backgrounds, experience, and networks of those stepping into these roles. The current sea change is defining the future of furniture. It's a future where challenges and opportunities lie in wait for those willing to adapt, innovate, and harness the power of technology and new consumer sensibilities. Those who make it their business to understand these shifts and leverage them to their advantage will find themselves at the forefront of an industry ready to embrace a new chapter of leadership, and with it, usher in a revolution in how we think about furniture and the way we do business. In a concerning development for the furniture industry, we've seen the integrity of digital systems come under scrutiny with the recent troubles faced by MarketTime. Last week, multiple vendors and representatives found themselves in a predicament as the wholesale sales platform, powered by MarketTime, experienced a substantial system outage. MarketTime fell victim to an incident involving an unauthorized actor accessing the Brandwise network, a critical component of the sales platform infrastructure. This security breach caused extensive disruption, taking the platform offline and impacting the whole wholesale channel. The ripple effects of this outage were felt far and wide. From the halt in sales ordering to fulfillment issues and retailers grappling with delays in receiving orders, the incident exposed the vulnerability of digital systems that have become the backbone of industry operations. MarketTime's immediate response was to shut down their systems to prevent further damage, a necessary step that undoubtedly caused a temporary halt to vital operations. They took action by engaging with independent cybersecurity experts to assist in securing the network and launching a detailed investigation into the breach. To bolster security and restore confidence, MarketTime has now implemented additional cybersecurity monitoring systems across its network. This step aims to detect and prevent any semblance of a recurrence, addressing one of the primary concerns of stakeholders, the protection of their data, and the integrity of systems essential to their business. Despite the understandable disruption and challenges thrust upon businesses due to the outage, it's a clear call to action for all players within the furniture industry. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and the need for continuous vigilance in an ever-connected digital world. The comprehensive steps MarketTime has taken not only aim to eliminate the risks encountered, but also demonstrate a commitment to rebuilding trust through proactive communication and transparent actions. As they continue their efforts to bring the entire system back online safely and securely, the industry is watching closely, aware that the digital landscape is fraught with challenges that call for constant innovation and rigorous security protocols. As we continue to navigate through a year that has certainly had its share of challenges, it has become increasingly evident that comfort in our homes is more than just a luxury. It's a necessity. This undeniable truth was on full display at the recent Interwoven Fabric Show, where suppliers showcased their latest offerings aimed at providing that coveted sense of refuge. At Interwoven, hosted by the International Textile Alliance, we saw an array of permanent and temporary fabric exhibitors who clearly had their finger on the pulse of consumer sentiment. The themes were unmistakable: super soft textures, earthy hues, and an overarching commitment to sustainability. A standout was Culp's introduction of the cloud finish, a testament to the demand for an even higher level of softness that goes beyond what traditional textures have offered. Meanwhile, Krypton, in collaboration with designer Kim Samela, unveiled a collection drawing on vintage inspirations and nature's own palette. Expect to see more home environments wrapped in these comforting, cuddly textures. But it wasn't just about softness. Color played a starring role too. The warmth of gentle caramels and earthy browns, reminiscent of snug shearling, reflected a turn towards tranquility. It appears we're witnessing a paradigm shift, with browns gaining relevance as they perfectly complement trending mid-tone mineral colors. The narrative of nature continued, with JBS Kuros presenting its Nubuck line, a fine example of the seamless melding of tradition, technology, and tactile pleasure. Regal Fabrics, too, embraced the call for versatile, comforting textiles to match the diverse tastes of consumers looking to turn their homes into sanctuaries. Moreover, DeLeo Textiles spoke directly to the undercurrent of eco-consciousness with their Safe Haven collection, infusing cozy and organic constructions crafted from natural fibers. The show demonstrated an unmistakable trend. Home furnishing choices are increasingly being made with the earth in mind. One can't help but notice that the fabric trends at Interwoven reflect a larger movement in society. A collective yearning for solace and tranquility is manifesting in the textures we touch and the designs we choose, as well as in the sustainable values that guide our decisions. It's clear that as we continue to evolve, so too will the materials that surround us in our daily lives, feeding our souls and safeguarding our planet. The furniture industry is on a transformational journey towards a greener future, embodying the collective effort to lessen its footprint on our precious environment. Today, let's delve into the evolving state of sustainability within home furnishings, highlighting the strides we've made and eyeing the path that lies ahead in our eco-conscious pursuit. Back in the early 2000s, discussions of sustainability were limited and often relegated to the fringes. Fast forward to today, and we note a palpable shift. Underpinned by the Sustainable Furnishings Council and trailblazers like Geronimo Jerry Cooklin, the dialogue has moved from the sidelines to the spotlight, with a full cast of manufacturers, designers, and retailers committing to sustainability like never before. As consumer awareness burgeons, the demand for transparency and accountability skyrockets. Our industry is responding by turning towards third-party certifications such as the Forest Stewardship Council and the Global Organic Textile Standard. While touting sustainable practices has become commonplace, achieving these certifications puts weight behind the words, signaling verifiable action and commitment. We're witnessing a surge in interest in sustainable materials from wood to fabrics. Take, for instance, the momentum gathering around Forest Stewardship Council certified wood, which ensures responsible forestry practices. Or consider the growing use of organic textiles, reducing harmful chemical exposure and fostering a healthier home environment. Legacy trade groups have also stepped up to the plate. Practices once considered novel, such as the American Home Furnishings Alliance's Enhancing Furniture's Environment Program and the International Sleep Products Association's collaboration on solutions for mattress recycling, are setting new benchmarks for industry-wide eco-practices. Looking ahead, The quest for sustainability is no longer just a competitive edge. It's a mandatory passage. The cascading effects of a warming planet make it an imperative, not just for the health of our businesses, but the well-being of our customers and the world they inhabit. Finally, as our industry navigates the challenges of sustainability, we must not lose sight of the destination, a thriving ecosystem where our actions today foster a world we're proud to pass on tomorrow. Let's continue embracing innovation, fostering partnerships, and making every choice with the future of our planet in mind. The state of sustainability in home furnishings is promising, and with unwavering commitment, we'll see it flourish even further. Thank you for joining us on the Furniture Industry News podcast. It has been a pleasure to bring you the latest developments and insights from the dynamic world of furniture. Our aim is to keep you well informed and one step ahead in your professional endeavors. We trust that the topics discussed will serve as valuable resources to navigate the evolving industry landscape. Remember, staying updated is key to staying ahead, and that's where we come in. I'm looking forward to delving into more key updates, analyses, and trends with you in our next episode. Until then, may your design be innovative, your furniture resilient, and your business prosperous.